Rainy water on the playground. It was a cloudy morning at Green Valley School. Dark clouds gathered in the sky. Soon, it began to rain heavily. The playground slowly filled with rainwater. Children watched the rain from their classroom windows. Ravi felt excited seeing the rain outside. He loved playing in the rain. After some time, the rain stopped. The playground was now full of puddles. During recess, the children rushed outside. Ravi jumped into a big puddle. Water splashed everywhere. His friends laughed and joined him. They started playing and splashing water. Soon, their uniforms became dirty. Meena warned them to be careful, but Ravi ignored her advice. He ran faster and slipped. He fell hard into the muddy water. Everyone became silent for a moment. Ravi got up slowly. He was covered in mud. His knee was slightly hurt. The teacher saw everything. She quickly came to help Ravi. She cleaned his wound gently. She explained the dangers of playing carelessly. Ravi felt sorry for not listening. He apologized to the teacher. He also thanked Meena. The children learned an important lesson. They decided to play safely. Next time, they avoided slippery areas. They played games away from puddles. Ravi became more careful. He started listening to good advice. The playground became a safe place again. Everyone enjoyed their time happily. Ravi smiled, remembering his lesson. He promised to always think before acting. Moral: carelessness can lead to trouble. Always listen to good advice and stay safe.